Because last morning I made the YouTube vlog against Bespil. You know Bespil, Arnel Castillo. You are really wanted by authorities. Because for what you have done to those people. Oh, you stole the cell phone in Marikina. You stole the cell phone of Sir Calvin Cuevas. You stole the bicycle of Jen Bravo in Las Piñas. And you're the one who pushed that kid in SM Grand Central. You know Bespil, Arnel Guerrera Castillo. You are wanted by authorities. However, you should never keep yourself in your hideout or your whatsoever. You are a criminal, Bespil. You're the one who pushed that kid in SM Grand Central stairs. You're the one who make cyberbullying against Vico Soto. Because I share in my YouTube blog, I borrowed to my dad's cell phone about Bespil, Arnel Castillo, because I saw this video from the blog of Batang Tolits, Batang Maynila Tolits. He said it, that Bespil, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, is the guy who insulted Vico Soto, the mayor of Pasig City. Usually, and he calls Vico Soto bastos. Why are you saying that word, rude, negative words, Bespil? Bakit mo binastos si Vico Soto? You know, Bespil, Arnel Guerrera Castillo. What does Vico Soto do to you, Bespil? What does Vico Soto did to you, Bespil? Let me answer a question. Vico Soto is just a mayor of Pasig City. You do not criticize his name. You do not bully his name or slandering his name. You ruin the reputation of Vico Soto. Don't you know, Bespil, Arnel Castillo? There is a Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Oh. However, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, your fellow Tape Incorporated defenders, they betray you. Like I said, sinuka kanila, Bespil. You know that. Because you ruin TVJ and now you're wanted by PNP and NBI. Like I said to you, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, nakatibre ka na, Bespil. You know, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, you have to surrender to the authorities. Look at you. Look at you, Bespil, Arnel Castillo. After you making a bunch of jokes, even after you push that kid in SM Grand Central stairs, after you stole the cell phone of Sir Calvin Cuevas in Marikina, after you stole the bicycle of Jen Bravo in Las Piñas, and next you make a rape joke, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, after you criticize Vico Soto. And next you make a rape joke, Bespil, Arnel Castillo. You harass Shania Kiana. You harass Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher Marisa, Teacher JD, De Chavez, even Teacher Rina, Teacher Freddy, Teacher Rina Nebres, Teacher Freli, May Masalab Silos, Teacher Lovelyn Villasor, and even Michelle D. and Mina Suchoy, the Miss Earth 2022. You harass them, even Aisa Vancula, the girlfriend of Teacher Vince, you harass her. Bespil, Arnel Castillo, you are wanted by authorities. You are wanted by NBI and PNP. So if I were you, Bespil, if you're making crying yourself, if you make a nonsense anyway, Bespil, you are a criminal. Like I said, even you, Gin Asedio, you're the one who scolded me in CDIFI way back 2003 and 2004, and you're the one who scolded David Gill, Luis Cabales. You scolded David Gill in 1999, and you scolded Luis Cabales 2003, even me, Paulrence Young, and Miguel Bonono. So what, Gina Sejo? You don't have mercy to us? Even you, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, you call me autistic. You mentioning about my name. You mention about Franco Cagayat. You mention about Tera Francisco. You mention about Nikki Miranda, Bill Galang, and you still mention Paul Matthew Somera, J.D. Biniegas, and even Dan Mardayaw, even other people with autism. Even my friend Joyce Patrick Opesha, you dropped the name Bespil. Arnel Castillo. And after you insulted me Down syndrome and you mentioned my friend Sir William Ducut, you're going to be in jail, Bespil. Arnel Castillo. Oh. Sir William Ducut's mom, Tita Zanaida, who was a congresswoman in Pampanga, had already filed the cases against Bespil. Arnel Guerrera Castillo. Oh. So what, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sejo? Are both of you are happy making an insult? If I were you, both of you, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sejo, I should put both of you in my enemy list, that I move on from Rodelio Daguman, Anthony Solares, Ivy Montaleola, Dara May Tuason, Jeffrey Beltran, Anya Santos Dumalaog, and even that my other enemies that I learn how to move on. You know, Bespil, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, you don't have mercy to those what you did. Even that kid, you push it in stairs in SM Grand Central in Caloocan. You're the one who pushed that kid. And you think me, I am you think me, you want to say a PI at me in Tagalog words? An insult word, Bespil. And you call me the word in Tagalog words, the GAGO, call it gago. That's an insult, Bespil. Even you insulted Diwata. You call Diwata hindi masarap ang pares. You know, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, what if you tried that to insult Roylan Marlang and a member of Hands Inclusion Philippines. If you try that, Best Phil, if you say that the word autistic, Roylan Marlang will get angry at you, Best Phil. Arnel Castillo, don't call people are autistic. That's so very rude, Best Phil. You know, Best Phil, Arnel Castillo, you are a cell phone thief. You stole the cell phone of Sir Calvin Cuevas. You stole the bicycle of Jen Bravo. I think in Las Piñas, you stole the cell phone of Sir Calvin Cuevas in Marikina. You're the one who pushed that kid in SM Grand Central in the stairs. Through over in the stairs, you push it out, and then you make that kid leg sprain or injury because of you, Best Phil. Arnel Castillo. And you're the one who make a cyberbullying against Bico Soto. And you're the one who make a rape joke. An act of lasciviousness. To my former teacher, Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher JD, even Teacher Freddy May Masalabsilos, Teacher Rina Nebres, Teacher Lovelim Libasor, Teacher Marisa, and also even Michelle D and Miss Earth 2022 Mina Suchoy, and even Isa Bancula and Shania Kiana. You know, Best Phil, Arnel Castillo, you're going to jail, Best Phil. I will not gonna tolerate your accusations, your behavior, whatsoever. You are a criminal. Look at you, Best Phil, Arnel Castillo. You're wanted by NBI and PNP. You're the one who make a cyber libel to the delivery rider, sales lady, and Bisaya. Like I said to you, Best Phil, Arnel Castillo, bastos ka, Best Phil. Arnel Castillo, even you, Gina Sedjo, bastos ka. Mga bastos kayo, that's why. You don't have good manners, both of you. Best Phil, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sedjo. Remember that, Best Phil, Arnel Castillo. One more saying the word autistic, Best Phil. You think I have a lawyer? I have a lawyer, That was the uncle of David Gill, Joel Ferrer. Joel Ferrer and I will already talk to the law, in the lawyer, and I can really file the cases against Best Phil, Arnel Castillo. You know, Best Phil, people there are complaining against you. And people, in your saying you want to bash me, how come you're going to be bashed? How come you make a YouTube content creator kung gusto mo maging sikat, Best Phil? You are a criminal. You are a criminal, Best Phil. Like I said, you're not famous, Best Phil. Hindi ka sikat, Best Phil. You are notorious. You are a bad influence, Best Phil. Arnel Castillo, you and Gina Sedjo, both of you are bad influence, Best Phil. Arnel Castillo and Gina Sedjo. Both of you have no mercy to the autism community. Hey, I told it to Franco Cagayat. That Bespil, Arnel Castillo, calls me autistic. Autistic word, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sejo. That's an insult. Both of you should be face in court in the prison. Deret Bespil, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sejo. Both of you are criminals. Both of you should be in prison. Like I said, makukulong na kayo, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sejo.